quick video here to show a great new fastener I've come across. It's called an LDT for a large diameter Tapcon. The ones I'm using are made by Redhead and their trade name is LDT. There's other ones available at the hardware store. Basically they're like a Tapcon, just a larger diameter. I'm going to use them to install this railing on these concrete steps, and I don't want to mess around with bad anchors or fasteners during the installation. I used a plywood template to get the mounting locations for this railing. The railing was built to the template, so my first step here on site, now that the railing is fabricated and powder coated, is to locate the holes where we're going to drill for the Tapcons. Just using a Sharpie marker to mark through the holes in the base plates. The holes in the base plates are slightly oversized for the LDTs to give them a little room for flexibility between the drilled holes and the holes in the base plates. Once the holes are marked on the concrete for drilling, I can set the railing aside and drill the holes. With the LDT anchors, no special bits are required, no proprietary bits. This is just a 5/16 inch bit for a 3/8 inch LDT. When I drill the hole, I'm going to make sure that I drill the full length of the flutes on this drill bit so that the fastener doesn't bottom out in the hole in the concrete or compact any remaining powder in the hole. But it's just a simple task of drilling a hole with a hammer drill and masonry bit. Just making sure that my drill is in hammer mode for drilling concrete. After drilling out the holes, just clean away excess dust and double ream the holes to make sure there's no powder built up in the bottom. With my 6 holes laid out and drilled, holes are cleaned out. It's just a matter of placing the railing and driving the LDTs. In this case, no special tool here required either. These are just a 9/16 socket. I'm using an impact drill, but no special over-the-top industrial drill or anything, and no special Torx modified sockets or anything, just a socket. Finish on these particular fasteners is it's a textured finish, so it accepts a powder coating to match the railing, which is a pretty nice feature for a clean, professional looking installation. Another real great feature with these LDTs is that they could be backed out and screwed back in without stripping the hole. Threads on the bolt actually cut threads into the concrete, so if you can back them out for shimming purposes, you can back them out, move things, shim things, adjust and put them back in. I've done it half a dozen times with no trouble as far as the hole stripping out. You'll notice that I wiggled the bolt and started it back in to engage the threads that the bolt cut the first time, just like you would do with any standard machine bolt. And you can tell by the ring of the railing how solid that's anchored down. The best thing about these large diameter Tapcons is that it's drill, drive, done. Sweet.